welcome to Gory Guitar. We have FAOUZIA here with a song called Habibi, My Love. Okay, so a very warm and electric song and very addicted to play as well. We have this chord progression that goes through the entire song with one string pattern, and that's it. So we love these kind of songs. Let's start with the capo here, set on the 4th fret to have the easiest chords possible. So capo on 4th, and we have 5 different chords to learn. So starting with A minor, that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then comes F. So it's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord will be E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So that is the order: A minor, G, D minor, F, and E. Now let's start with the A minor to look at the strumming pattern. And one round will be down, up, clap, down. So down and a short pause, and then up, clap, down, like this. Down, up, clap, down. All right, so that is one round. You're gonna play A minor for 2 string rounds, G for 2, D minor for 2, then F1 and E1. And that's it. All right, so let's do A minor 2, G2, D minor 2, F1, E1. And that is one round. So with the standard tempo like this for a couple rounds. Yeah, I took off a little bit there, but that is how you handle a song. Down, up, clap, down for A minor 2, G2, D minor 2, F1, and E1. Good luck with this one, and I hope to hear and see you soon. Play tuned.